Dear students, in this class we are going to discuss a problem from the chapter Real Numbers of Class 10 CBSE Maths book. The question is, in a teacher's workshop, the number of teachers teaching French, Hindi and English are 48, 80 and 144 respectively. Find the minimum number of rooms required if in each room the same number of teachers are seated and all of them are of the same subject. What is given in this question? There are 48 teachers teaching French and 80 teachers teaching Hindi and 144 teachers teaching English. And we need to find the minimum number of rooms required if in each room the same number of teachers are seated and all of them are of the same subject. So here what exactly we need to do is, so in order to find the minimum number of rooms required, the condition is if in each room the same number of teachers are seated and all of them are of the same subject. We need to find the HCF of 48, 80 and 144. So we'll prime factorize 48 first. This is 2. So we'll get 24 here. Again 2. We will get 12. Again 2. We will get 6. Again 2. We will get 3. And when we go to 80, 80 divided by 2 is 40, then 2 it is 20, again 2 it is 10, again 2 will get 5. When we go to 144, 2 will get 72, again 2 it is 36, again 2 18, again 2 will get 9, then in 3, so there are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now we have prime factorized these numbers. Now we'll find the HCF. Now we can write 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and 80 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Then 144 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So if we take the highest common factor here, 2 into 2 into 2 is common here. Here there is 2 into 2 into 2, and here also there is 2 into 2 into 2. Here also there is 2 into 2 into 2. So therefore the HCF is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times 2. So we got 16 as the HCF. Therefore there will be 16 teachers in each room. Now we'll find the number of rooms needed for each subject teachers. So first we'll take French. So number of rooms required for French teachers is equal to 48 divided by 16, which is equal to 3. So French teachers need 3 rooms. Now what about Hindi teacher? Number of rooms required for Hindi teachers is equal to, you have to write here number of rooms needed for French teachers, number of rooms are needed for Hindi teachers. This is equal to 80 divided by 16, which is equal to 5. Now number of rooms required for English teachers is equal to 144 divided by the HCF 16, which is equal to 9. So we have got for French teachers 3 rooms, Hindi teachers 5 rooms and English teachers 9 rooms. Therefore, the minimum number of rooms required, the total minimum number of rooms required is equal to 3 plus 5 plus 9, which is equal to 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 17. So 17 rooms required. You have to write here the minimum number of rooms required is equal to 3 plus 5 plus 9, which is equal to 17. Hope you have understood this. In case you have any doubt, let me know through comments. Thank you.